know if you can hear me over top of the truck, but look at that. Beautiful red sky. That's our sunrise this morning. Because this one,
I got her up at the cracker early.
so that we could drive to Washington for a car show in Chehalis.
We're on our way to meet a whole bunch of other trucks at a rest stop. And we're all going to go up there together.
But because he got me up so early, I get a look at this.
That's a good trade.
Isn't that beautiful?
Mount Hood.
I just love how it's blowing off of that. I think even the camera is picking up the red.
Yeah. This time of morning, we might actually get to see some hot air balloons too. Once we get down by the airport.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got a little bit before that. I'm not going to record that long. But I'll show them this beautiful sunrise. He got me up at 4 in the morning. Yeah, 4 in the morning to go to a truck show.
This is the longest trip we've taken it. Well, we've driven it to like an hour one way, but this is 2 hours one way.
But Gus is getting to go to a car show.
And we got one of the old bikes in the back too.
Yeah, I didn't show that yet. Got one of his bikes too. He's got to show off. He likes to show things off.
Well, we're going to the Veterans Memorial Museum in Chehalis, Washington. And that's a 1941 Shelby bicycle. So, pretty cool. And it's blue like Gus, so we accessorized.
And the car show's name is the
South Sound Get Down.
Yeah, South Sound Get Down. It should be fun. I'll show you guys some of the cars later on. Have a great day.